Resolution 242, November 22, 1967. Following the Six-Day War, Israel claimed a lot of land. They conquered and captured the Golan Heights, the West Bank, the Gaza Strip, and the Sinai Peninsula. This led to a military standoff from June 10th to November 22nd, when Resolution 242 was passed. The resolution passed with 15 countries voting for it, 0 against it, and 0 abstaining. The resolution called for two things. First, the withdrawal of Israeli armed forces from the territories occupied in the recent conflict. Second, termination of all claims or states of belligerency and respect for and acknowledgement of the sovereignty, territory integrity, and political independence of every state in the area and their right to live in peace within a secure and recognized boundaries, free from threats or acts of force. Egypt, Jordan, and Israel accepted the resolution immediately. Syria initially denounced the resolution but later accepted it in 1972. In a statement to the General Assembly, the Palestinian Liberation Organization, or the PLO, rejected 242, stating that the implementation of said resolution will lead to the loss of every hope for the establishment of peace and security in Palestine and the Middle East region. They said this because the resolution does not acknowledge their right to national self-determination or to return to their homeland. It calls only for a settlement of the refugee problem. By calling for recognition of every state in the area, Resolution 242 entailed Palestinian recognition of Israel without recognition of Palestinian national rights. This means that Israel demanded that Palestine recognize it as a state, when leaders from both sides have already stated that they will not recognize the other. The PLO argued against the resolution for almost 2 decades. As the PLO moved towards the idea of a negotiated two-state settlement with Israel, it increasingly based its objections to Resolution 242 on the fact that it dealt with the Palestinians as refugees rather than as a people with national rights. Although the PLO accepted the resolution in 1988, it has yet to lead to an agreement about statehood.